Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. We're doing a couple things today. So first, I gotta wash the C63 because it is super dirty. I don't know what happens, but anytime I get any sort of dust on the car, and then I try to leave it outside for a day or two, and then it has dust and it rains a bit, it starts looking like this. And I hate these spots, even though the car is ceramic coated. It bothers me like crazy. Go to the car wash first, get the C63 rinsed up, cleaned up. Usually I got a detailer come in and usually clean it up, but especially because the car is outside, parked at work, etc., it does get dirty often, so I don't want him to come every other day. That makes no sense and it's not feasible. So usually I just go to the car wash and just soap and rinse, and as I said, it's ceramic coated, so everything just comes off, and I have the drying towel, so I'll quickly do that. Alright, so we got her cleaned up, looking all nice. Turn off the car wash here. I don't really use the wax on here. I always use the soap and the rinse. Foam brush, I've again avoided just because of the aspect of the rims. So I don't really use that either because I know it scratches up rims pretty bad. And look how dirty it is usually. I don't usually use any of that. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty good. Let's turn it off. Look how nice this car looks when it's clean, man. It sucks that it gets dirty so fast, but in the sun, you can't beat this color. Oh my god. I love this color in the sun. In the evening time, like, yeah, it looks like a normal purple, but in the sun time, oh my goodness. It is crazy. And just the way that it stands out with that color, god damn. I love it. Such a good car. I'd highly recommend it if you were looking for a nice little daily. Honestly, one of the top choices. I've owned a bunch, and it's like a muscle car, but like German, you know. Here's to another Saturday morning cars and coffee. Time for Tim Hortons. Time to meet up with the boys. Time to go check out these cars. Surprisingly, I'm the first one here. 9:09 a.m. But I got my coffee. So got the coffee, got the little donut, and yeah, so I'm here chilling, have some coffee till one, two of these guys show up, and then we'll go. I'm a little tired, but honestly, this is the only chance I really get to take the car out if I have no obligations at home and on the weekends, because I'm so busy working as well, right? So to be honest, you gotta make the most of the Saturday, Sundays, Fridays, whatever you can get. And it's also at the end of the season almost. Alright, so we got Mr. Husney SVJ with Mr. Tour. We got these two guys who told me 9 o'clock. It's 10.
Well, still in the 9.
It's 10 almost.
Yeah,
And you went through some rain.
Dude, the whole way.
The whole way?
Yeah, the whole, remember, like, I also live in like more like a hilly area.
Yeah, hilly area, yeah.
Like,
he lives in Beverly Hills of Brampton. But yeah, get some coffee and then we'll head out. Alright, an hour later, having some coffee and just gathering a couple of us up. Now we're finally headed out. Amin's got to go through the Shell car wash. So this is the first time you're going to see an SVJ go through a touchless car wash. Alright, gas stop. And then Mr. Tour over here is going to take his SVJ through that touchless. So that'll be the first SVJ to go through a touchless at Shell in Toronto. I'm kidding. I've seen another one to go before, but
oh, yeah.
If it blows up, don't worry, we'll rescue him. We'll stand outside the mirror. Alright, boys and girls. We're going to see an SVJ go through the touchless car wash. We had no choice because he had to come from north, and his car was really dirty, so he's like, yo, I gotta clean it. So I told him just to get that basic soap and rinse. At least the car can be a little bit clean that way, right? Alright, I don't know if you guys can see much, but I'll go here. There you go. Getting the car cleaned up. As I said, I got a little dirty with it being oh, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it got a little dirty coming from the north. But yeah, I think it'll be a pretty good job. Before you guys panic, there's no rails, it's all touchless. We only did soap and water, and car's fully PPF, so that way it'll at least clean the car up properly and get it going nicely, you know. And it was so filthy that it wouldn't be nice if we took it all the way to Cars and Coffee looking like that. So the Porsche is clean. As I said, I took it out of the garage. It didn't rain that much, maybe a few drops, so it stayed pretty clean. But he had a pretty long drive. Let's see how this car comes out. So we're gonna leave it running because need to burn off all the water in there. But there's a few drops because the single clutch is very hard to go at the end, like very slowly. So very difficult to go slow in that single clutch. But yeah, cleaned it pretty nice, man. And then we got Mr. Hassani over here following suit, watching the Mercedes as well. Alright, so now these are cleaned up. Let's see Mr. Hassani. Let's see how he is comes out.
Alright guys, you're gonna be in the vlog.
No way, you're a vlogger now.
Alright, so where are we today?
We're at World. Hold on, give me this. We're at World of Fine Cars. There's a shitty S63 behind me.
Hey.
There's a beautiful
S63.
GT3. There's a Aventador SVJ, and then obviously like these beautiful cars. Can you see it? I don't know. Like the world's best spec M4 CS with carbon ceramic brakes.
Dude, this one.
Look at that. Carbon ceramics. Just gotta show off my car a little bit. Look at that badge. Tron and carbon. Then we got an F80. No carbon ceramics. This S63S just sucks. Look, he kind of has nice interior. The CarPlay doesn't really work in this car. You have to put your phone on the roof of this vehicle for it to work. Let's go see if this GT3 is manual. And it's not. I wish I had that.
That's a nice F12. Some old school Porsches, red C4. Nice. So we got a C63 S3, very nice rims on this 911, and a carbon hood. Clean, very nice. Looks badass. I gotta actually get myself those mud flaps, to be honest. Saves the car. And then you got yourself a nice little M3 comp. I'm really liking these cars. Kind of want one if I get rid of the C63, but they're still quite expensive for what they are, so gonna wait a little bit, see what's going on with the prices. But this color is beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. That is so nice. And it has like a white interior. So nice. I like the spec. Nice. This is not British Racing Green, is it?
No, it's Anglesey green.
Anglesey?
It used to be called Verde Hermes.
Okay.
Because it was a Lamborghini Pico, and they trademarked it, so they had to suit.
Damn.
So they had to change it.
Yeah, I've never seen this green before. This is such a nice green. I've seen the British racing green, but yeah, but this honestly
Even Isle of Man is amazing.
Oh my god, look at that interior. That's beautiful, man. Honestly, this is such a nice spec.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of them. I think this one's probably in the top 3.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I was gonna go with blue, but everyone does blue.
I've seen a purple one another day, and I think the other color I really like is that orangish red.
Oh yeah,
So, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah, this needs sun, or else it just doesn't look as good.
No, the sun's shining so perfect on this. Beautiful. We just left the Cars and Coffee. It's been just such a rainy weekend here. Now I'm cruising back with Mr. Tour. I'm headed home, and then maybe if the weather clears up, I might go for a little drive after. But it's just been like such a shit show. So just kind of one of those things where the weather now is gonna start kind of being like this. But yeah, it's trying to get the best of what we can at the end of the season, I guess. Alright, so McDonald's shake and a burger. Got a little bit hungry, but I love the cup holders on this thing. It's kind of at a convenient spot. It's not really in the middle anywhere where it's hitting your arm. So yeah, I had to grab some food. I was really hungry. I didn't want more coffee, as I've been drinking coffee since the morning, like twice already. Coffee. Cars and Coffee, they need to start doing cars and lunch.